Hey y'all, so today I want to show you how to install this 20-gallon freshwater aquarium. It's a very simple setup and it looks really nice and colorful in a small room. So let's get right to it. First things first, you want to bring the cabinetry in. Always nice to have a friend help you load that in. Then we're going to want to make sure that it's evenly spaced from the wall. So we're going to take a quick measurement here, make sure all the distances are the same. Next, we're going to put our pad on the bottom so we can place our aquarium right on top of that. Helps any cracks that may form on the bottom of the tank. Then we're going to take all our equipment out of here. And first things first, get our main pump installed. Going to throw some gravel in there just to see where everything is placed height-wise. And then we're going to put our sponges and heater in the back, as well as a bag of carbon. Next, we're going to do a little aquascape, place our rocks in here. Create a couple caves and crevices. We have a nice classic castle we'll be using on this tank, which really brings things together, as well as a piece of driftwood that's going to be hiding in the back here. A lot of the plecos like it, and it's also been treated so it has all kinds of bacteria and good stuff on it for the aquarium install. Add a couple fake plants. We're lucky enough to have a sink right next to this tank, so we're just going to connect it to the sink and fill it right up. We are using a little bit of dechlorinator to make sure the water is safe for the fish. And as soon as the water reaches the top, it's going to start going down the overflow, and we're going to see how the aquarium is functioning. I do have a little bit of water from an established aquarium right here, as well as a couple fish I'm going to add. Only 2 to start things off. And a reminder, our driftwood and rocks came from an established aquarium, so there's plenty of bacteria to keep these little guys happy in the beginning. Next, we're going to install this light, which really brings things together. You can find all product links in the description of this video below. Today we'll be using this AQQA planted 24/7 aquarium LED light. This is the AQ090 18 watt version, and it's really nice. It has its own timer. You can set it on its own light spectrum, so you could do blue, red, orange. For this setup, we'll be doing the classic full spectrum look, and you can also adjust the intensity and set it on a timer. About a month later, we revisited the tank, did a water change, and added a few more guppies, as well as a tiny little dwarf pleco, already acclimated to the water. So just gonna dump them in. This customer really wanted some angelfish, so we did put a pair in here while he gets his new 65-gallon tank ready for 2026.